I dropped it. Dude, it's like, how am I supposed to do this? How am I supposed to do this? Seriously. This is ridiculous. Oh boy, it did. Let me get a magnet. This is exciting news. Marketing team, you're gonna have a fun one with this one. Oh man, these are the worst. I do see the problem, and I'm going to have to address it. So you're gonna have to loosen this battery box. Okay, so now you have to give yourself room between the brake master cylinder and the ECU to get this cover on here properly. Now this is honestly looking like the hard part of the whole thing, is not dropping this while trying to do it. Okay, wish me luck, because this is not looking good. Holy moly. This freaking everything is in the way, bro. And then the box doesn't want to. Jeez, this is a recipe for disaster.